Before we dive in, I'd like to mention something important about data integrity. The patient information and clinical metrics that you'll see in this application are purely for demonstration purposes. We take security seriously and always ensure that any real-world deployment complies with the highest global data protection standards. Let's start on the Bacancy HealthBook homepage. As you scroll down, you'll spot the main call to action for booking healthcare services. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the three-step booking process. Notice the impressive statistics and the extensive partner hospital network of the platform. As you browse through the various medical departments, you'll find a list of top-rated specialists available for consultation. Check out the patient testimonials to get a sense of user experiences. Then explore core features like privacy and zero wait time. Don't forget to glance at the footer links. Now navigate to the Hospitals tab, where you can search for different facilities. Select Parkview Health Center to view more specific details. After you review the hospital departments and specialists, proceed to the main specialists page to find a doctor. Click on Dr. Olivia Hayes' profile to check her availability. Next, head over to the departments page to view all specializations available. When you're ready, click the Sign In button. Enter your email and password to log into your patient account. Once you're on your dashboard, take a look at your next appointment and any recent prescriptions. Then, click on the My Appointments tab. Search for Dr. Michael Carter, choose a convenient date and time for your appointment, and proceed with the booking. Make sure to double-check that all details are correct before confirming. Take a moment to review the status of your appointments list. Click on Dr. Daniel Brooks's appointment to see the specifics, such as the location at Parkview Health Center and the reason for your visit. Next, navigate over to the prescriptions section. Here you can look through your active and past prescriptions, noting the dosage and instructions provided by your doctors. In the treatment history section, you can expand past visit details to review diagnoses and assessments, ensuring you have a complete record of your care. Now, move over to Messages. Select a conversation with Dr. Olivia Hayes and type a quick follow-up message about your results. Then, check your payment history and total spend. Don't forget to click the notification icon to see recent updates on your requests. Finally, go to your profile to verify your personal information. Access the settings to manage appearance and data sharing preferences. Once you're done, return to the homepage and scroll through the various informational sections, including the hospital network and FAQs. Finish up by reviewing the footer information to ensure you've seen all available resources.